Let's get to that trader rundown now with Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. And Tim, they're calling January one of the worst months in a long time for the stock market. Sometimes as January goes, so does the rest of the year. What do you think?
Certainly, has not been the case as much recently, Angie. And I think, the damage we've done to the market, I think the upside may be a little bit muted with the rate environment as well. But I think the downside, we may have seen at least short term, the worst of it. So I think we'll just kind of continue to consolidate through February. Earnings season has actually been a pretty good one, yet stocks are a lot lower. So that means valuations are cheaper. So I prefer what we talked about last week, continuing with selling out of the money puts and put spreads to position to be a buyer on further weakness, if not collecting some rich option premium, not aggressively buying it here, but I think the next dip might be one you want to buy.
Funny you should mention a repeat trading strategy since it is Groundhog Day.
Yeah, we're hoping, that it's somewhere that doesn't get too scared of seeing the shadow in the market going forward. But I think, volatility begets opportunity. And I think that's kind of the market we're seeing here, more of a trader's market than a long-term investor's market.
What's your trade of the day, Tim?
Yeah, looking at Farfetch, FTCH, seeing big repeat unusual call buying out in April. Yesterday saw over 14,000 April 30 out of the money calls trade. Implied volatility jumped on that, means the options are much more expensive. So I'm just buying the stock, selling these comparatively expensive calls, following along with that bullish call buying, but capturing the fact they had to overpay dramatically to get into this big position.
What else is the options market telling you about Farfetch?
Well, these guys, are buying calls, positioning for perhaps a takeout, something of that nature. That's why I always like to lean bullishly with these call buyers out there. But they've been at it for the past several weeks, just coming back into the market. So all the way out to April as well, which means they're looking for some kind of move over that time horizon.
Thank you, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.